Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No house, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Today we're diving into the repair of the Asus UX530U, specifically focusing on a broken charging connector and a loose CPU heatsink. Let's get started with the tools you'll need for this repair. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and thermal paste for reassembly. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by removing the back cover. Use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws securing the cover. Keep these screws organized as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips in the process. With the back cover removed, locate the charging connector. It's usually situated near the battery. Disconnect the battery first to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Next, remove the broken charging connector. This may involve unscrewing it from the motherboard. Take your time here, as you don't want to damage any surrounding components. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your laptop repaired without any hassle. Once the old connector is out, install the new charging connector by reversing the removal process. Make sure it's securely attached to the motherboard. After that, reconnect the battery. Now, let's address the GPU issue. Look for the GPU heatsink, which is typically secured with screws. If you notice it's loose, this could be the reason for overheating. Carefully unscrew the heatsink and lift it off. You may need to clean the old thermal paste off the GPU and the heatsink using isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. This step is crucial for effective heat dissipation. After cleaning, apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the GPU. Spread it evenly to ensure proper contact with the heatsink. Reattach the heatsink, making sure it's firmly secured with screws. This will help prevent overheating and improve performance. Before reassembling the laptop, double-check all connections and screws. If you're unsure about any step, remember we provide a quote before repair so you can make informed decisions about your laptop's maintenance. Finally, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Insert all the screws to secure the cover, or on your laptop to test the new charging connector and ensure the GPU is functioning correctly without overheating. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We're here to help you with your laptop repairs, ensuring you have a smooth and efficient experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.